Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
How do you measure up? Did you ever wonder how you measure up in the animal world? Ask your parents for a tape measure, grab a friend, and see how you compare with these North American animals. Spread your wings. Stretch out your arms so your body makes a T shape. Have a friend measure from the tips of your fingers on one hand to the tips of your fingers on your other hand. Compare your wingspan with those of the birds below. Which bird is closest to your size? Make tracks. Place your foot on a piece of paper and trace around it. Measure the length from the heel to the tip of the big toe. What wild animal makes tracks as long as yours? Like each person, every animal is unique. Some are big, some are small, some are in between. Now you know how you measure up.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.